Welcome. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to verify your domain here on Clickfunnels. All right, so first up, go ahead over to your Clickfunnels dashboard. Now, once you're in here, just go to the left panel and at the very bottom, we have workspace settings. Click on it. Now at the top, we have domains. Okay, click. Now, once you have your domain added right here, all right, you'll be able to see three dots. It will look like this besides your domain. Just click on the three dots and select the edit option. All right, click on edit. And then once done, if you have just added your domain, just at least wait for about 15 to 30 minutes for it to refresh. And once done, you'll be able to see a verify button right here at the top. So just go ahead and click on it. Once done, wait for the verification process to finish. And after that, you can now go ahead over to your domains and you'll be able to see the status right here, verified, with a corresponding icon that looks like a lock if you have successfully connected your SSL. All right, that's basically how you verify your domain on Clickfunnels. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.